Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get Tachiyomi on iOS and Android. This is the best anime reader app. So let's begin our download. We'll head for hexmods.com where we'll see many modded apps. And we're just going to go straight up to the search bar and type in Tachiyomi. I believe it's on this site. Yeah, there it is. So go ahead and press on it, and you can see it has over 100,000 downloads. Only 5 megabytes, 50 megabytes. So just press the down button and it will start downloading. So let's wait for it to download. Ooh, Tachiyomi! Now before you get it, guys, there's one more step. I'm going to walk you through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So basically what's going to happen is it's going to bring you to this page. It says complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So obviously this app is not on the App Store. It's not legit for iPhones, but with this method you can install it. So as you can see, we got 4 apps here: TikTok, Swagbucks, Family Island, and Dice Dreams. Now depending on what country you're in, allegedly there may be different apps. No matter which apps you see, you do not have to download 4 of them, you only have to download 2 of them. So I did Family Island. We have to reach level 10. They've also got TikTok here. We got to run it for 30 seconds. That's pretty easy, right? Dice Dreams, you got to run it to Kingdom level 6, so that's kind of like the Family Island one. So just press tap to install, it'll bring you to the App Store, you download the app, you're done. So yeah, just run it, guys, you're going to be good to go. And that's how you install Tachiyomi on iOS, guys. That is great, isn't it? It actually works. People are going to be going crazy when this video drops, so be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but as you can see, we have it working on our device. I'm on an iPhone, not an Android phone, and it actually works. So that is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but just make sure you do that stupid verification because it is a one-time step, and then you will get it on your device. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.